It's Cinco de Mayo, and we're on our way for Cinco de Mayo, pre-Daniel's birthday dinner, and we're fashionably late for dinner. But it's okay, I'm sure. It better be. It better be okay. Look at the sky, it's so cool looking. The flash looks like the moon.
Here's the car wash, or you can wash it yourself. See, it's not that far.
Yeah. There's the moon. I mean the sun. Behind the trees. I wish it was warmer so I could open the window up so we don't see this schmutz in the window. Yeah, I told my grandma depending on the weather I might go with you to the racetrack next weekend.
Tomorrow.
Or tomorrow, I mean, for your birthday. Wait, after work?
It's at night.
Oh, I see. We might be doing that tomorrow.
Maybe. I don't know if I feel like it.
She asked me where they have that. She thought it would. That sounds cool though. We're going to your mom's for your birthday on Sunday.
It's feeling done. It's also.
We're here. We almost missed it. The parking lot's kind of like the big one when we used to go to Barbecue Bill's.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
I don't know where to park. Can I?
We're not that late.
No.
And usually they make you wait when you have a reservation.
Yeah.
What do you mean wait? I'm VIP. Cinco de Mayo. The day after Cinco de Quattro.
Park next to this Buick LaCrosse.
That's not me, Boots. That was the most craziest parking ever. Oh, you're upside down. I texted lefties. All the people who are watching me film. They're like, do you mind? Yes, I mind. Take in or dine out. You want to dine in. Can't see the sign. Oh, I hope not.
I feel like guys also there.